Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel. Hello, welcome to the CEO DG and La YouTube channel.
Are you anxiously waiting for today's Amazon quiz questions for 30th May 2021 and wish to try your luck by winning or not rupees 30,000 pay balance? Okay, let us start today's Amazon quiz. Amazon page open now. From there to I'm opening home page. From home to programs and features. Here I am clicking on programs and features, and from there to our quiz that located in fun zone. So I am clicking on fun zone. Now fun zone page open now. Win prize every day, and I am searching for today's fun zone questions. Here it is. Quiz time. Answer and win 30,000. Play now. Now running 24 hours daily. Starts at 12 a.m. Now I am going to start by clicking on play now button. Now one more fun zone FZ quiz time page open now. Daily quiz time. Answer all 5 questions. Enter the lucky draw to win the prize by answering all 5 questions correctly. Chance to win Amazon Pay 30,000 rupees. So those whose questions have to enter their luck, test their luck. If there are all 5 questions correct, then only there is a chance to enter the lucky draw. So I am going to start by clicking on start button. Here the first quiz of the day, INS Nirikshak. INS Nirikshak, which was recently in news, is what type of vessel used by the Indian Navy. So INS Nirikshak is used by the Indian Navy, that is recently came in the news highlighted. So what type of vessel it is used by the Indian Navy? So here the options are diving support vessel, littoral combat ships, amphibious transport dock ship, or frigates. Repeating the question again. INS Nirikshak. INS Nirikshak, which was recently in news, is what type of vessel used by the Indian Navy? So which one you are guessing? Is it diving support vessel, or littoral combat ships, or amphibious transport dock ship, or frigates? So which one you are guessing? Here my guess is the first one, diving support vessel. So let us see whether it is right or wrong. I am clicking on the first option, diving support vessel. So that's right. So INS Nirikshak, which was recently in the news, is diving support vessel used by Indian Navy. Indian Navy used this INS Nirikshak for a diving support purpose only. Now moving to second question. Which country has announced that it would send a rover Rashid to the moon in 2022? I am repeating the question. Which country has announced that it would send a rover Rashid? The name of the rover is Rashid, to the moon in 2022. Here the options are Jordan, UAE, United Arab Emirates, Saudi Arabia, Iran. So repeating the question, which country has announced that it would send a rover named Rashid to the moon in 2022? So which question you are guessing? Which option you are guessing? Is it Jordan, UAE, Saudi Arabia or Iran? So I think here the option is the right option is UAE. Second option I am guessing. So let us see whether it is right or wrong. So clicking on UAE, second option. So bang on came here. Second option also right. So UAE has announced that it would send a rover named Rashid to the moon in 2022. So it is related to science and technology question. So very nice today's GK questions. And one more question, that is the third one. In 2021, this is also 2000 related. In 2021, who fell from the Forbes list of the top 5 richest people in the world for the first time since 1993? I am repeating the question. In 2021, who fell from the Forbes list of the top 5 richest people in the world for the first time since 1993, as compared from since 1993, who fell from the Forbes list of the top 5 richest people in the world in 2020-21. So here the options are Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, or Carlos Slim. Which one you are thinking? So who fell down from the top 5 up to last year 2020? He was in top 5. Now he fell from the top 5 list. Who is he? He rocked from 1993 to 2020. In 2020-21, he fell from the Forbes list of top 5 richest people in the world. So whom you are guessing? Is he Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, or Carlos Slim? So here I am guessing third one, I think, Warren Buffett. So let us see whether it is right or wrong. I am clicking on Warren Buffett. Okay, so that's right answer. So keep it up came here. So in 2021, Warren Buffett fell from the Forbes list of the top 5 richest people in the world for the first time since 1993. Okay, now moving to fourth question of the day. Here are 2 images daily commonly. So first image of the today's quiz. The last of this bird was seen in the 17th century in which country? So we have seen this last in the 17th century only, in which country? So repeating the question, the last of this bird was seen in the 17th century in which country? So here a bird image displayed here. Ecuador, the options are Ecuador, Tanzania, New Zealand, Mauritius. It's very highly important question this is, and also this image reveals that some valuable species are diminishing. So this is one of the most important question to understand the life of the some of the birds which disappear from the universe. So which one you are guessing? Is it seen Ecuador, Tanzania, or New Zealand, or Mauritius? So which one you are guessing? My guess is I think it is Mauritius. Okay, let us see whether it is right or wrong. I am clicking on fourth option, Mauritius. So here keep it up. Okay, it's right answer. Okay, so this bird the last of this bird was seen in the 17th century in Mauritius only. Okay, last image of today's quiz. In 1983, who left this company due to a diminishing interest in the day running of the company? Repeating the question. In 1983, who left this company due to a diminishing interest in the day running of the company? Here the options are Steve Wozniak, Steve Jobs, John Scully, Tim Cook. Repeating the question. In 1983, who left this company? This is the Apple company. Okay. Who left this company due to diminishing interest in the day running of the company? So who left the company, and who are the workers here, or employees, or founders, those who left this company in 1983? So which one you are guessing? Is it Steve Wozniak, or Steve Jobs, or John Scully, or Tim Cook? So here I guess that the first one option, Steve Wozniak. Let us see whether it is right or wrong. Steve Wozniak. Okay, it's right answer. That's right, came here. So in 1983, Steve Wozniak left this company due to a diminishing interest in the day running of the company. Okay, all of the 5 questions right. So I think you also attempted like me. So well done. Here appreciation came. You are eligible for a lucky draw in this contest. So those whose 5 questions correct, they are eligible for a lucky draw. Today's Amazon pay amount is 30,000 given. So if those who are curious, they can check the winners list on 31st May 2021.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, subscribe and share. See you in the next one. Bye bye.